Alright, so this video is about the brand new game that's being developed in this day and age called Acronia. Acronia, excuse me, Acronia. I'll post a link in the description about the game itself, like where to get the alpha version of the game itself. And I'll be playing the game here. Unfortunately, it's just only the keyboard controls for it at the moment. But it is pretty fun. Let's go ahead and oops, I can't control the keyboard and I did. Oops, I can't even control it. Let's see. Alright, I can control the game and record this video at the same time, unfortunately. But get the idea. So controls are actually I said put this. Okay, so the controls are right here. The escape key goes to the menu. The pause key, which is right next to the scroll lock key, is the pause button. Tab selects characters, and then the weapon model modes, which are pellet gun, SMG/bullet, aka the machine gun or semi-machine gun, plasma, shells, rockets, and then the /cycle. And as for movement, run is, well, the arrow keys, left and right. Jump is control. Climb is up and down arrow. Crouch is a down arrow. Use is spacebar, and fire is the alt key. And the key combination to get underneath the very small spaces would be the control key and the down arrow key at the same time. So I'll demonstrate that once I get this down a level here. Oops. So, yep, there it is. The Alt and let's do that again here. So the down arrow key and the control key are what would cause the character to move back and forth between those very tight spaces there. I hit pause. So anyway, that's what the game looks like right now. For now, it is under the alpha stage at the moment. But I have to say, this game is actually great fun. This is actually a packet belt 486 DX5133. And pretty soon I'll be hooking up the monitor to this 386DX computer. I'm sorry, 486 DLC machine to see how it performs on there too. So I already have the files under this guy. Well, actually it's in a zip file, so I have to unzip it somehow in DOS and then copy everything, and then make a new folder, copy everything out, copy the zip file over. I'll copy the zip file over in the new game folder, and then get an unzip file for DOS, place it on there, copy, and then unzip the files to the directory itself, and then it should be good to go after that. But right now, the only thing I have is just only connected is just only the video display to display monitor to this Packard Bell, because I don't have any male to female video cables at the moment for this Protect Whiteland keyboard video switch, which has 4 different stations that you can switch. Number 1 is the DX. It says computer down here. Number 2 is this computer down here. Number 3 and 4 are not established yet, but it's in the works. It has the AT keyboard, serial mouse, PS2 keyboard, PS2 mouse, and VGA. So I can use like the PS2, like hook up this keyboard, and this mouse are connected to it at the moment. That's the AT keyboard. That's the PS2 mouse. I do have a serial mouse that's disconnected at the moment because it was causing a little bit of conflicts with the movement of the mouse. So theoretically, I don't know if this particular mouse would work in serial mode on this particular thing, but I think it does do that because it has a spot where you can hook up like either keyboard or mouse to it, so I think theoretically it can do that, but I digress. As for joysticks, I have one for this computer and I have one for this computer. So I have like 2 different joysticks for different computers because why not? Same model, same specifications, same everything. Both of these are analog, work really good in DOS, Windows. Well, this one's DOS theoretically speaking. This one for both DOS and Windows. It also has the throttle wheel here, which allows you to control the speed for, like, say, if you play Star Wars TIE Fighter or X-Wing Fighter or whatever game it is. Any Star Wars game that has it where you can like use TIE Fighters to destroy the Rebellion, or the X-Wing Fighters to destroy the Empire, the Imperial scum. The throttle wheel is what controls it. And I was thinking about asking the company that makes the game. Let's see here, what game is it called again? I always forget. It's under my sports section. Yeah, I actually do have this on here. Stellar Roads. There we go. Stellar Roads. Ask them if there's a way to get the. Might as well ask them if there's a way to get the throttle wheel is the control for controlling the speed of the spacecraft itself. I can use moving it to the right and then to the left to like increase and decrease the throttle. But for those who have the throttle wheel on here, that'll be really nice to have that. But this is also the beta version of the game. And there we have it. And yeah, this packer I finally figured out what the heck went wrong. I put the diagnostics card upside down. It's supposed to be digits and LEDs side up, not down. That's why it wasn't turning on. And I wish it didn't toss up a board that had the 5429 chip on it, because I think it would have been the bee's knees to get that one working. Unfortunately, that board was not working at all. And I think the reason why was because I put the thing in the ass backwards. I should have looked at that like months ago. That's too bad, because I would like to play 5429 on this thing, because I try to play games. Well, if I had XL, funny if I use a Dell monitor like this, so I think I have to get jumper drivers for it. Maybe they'll fix it, but I digress. I think it's my I got stuck in hand anyways. Yes, it is some a little bright there. I don't know why it's doing that. I think it's because of the lighting. If warning, yes, I know that is a 2000 era floppy drive, because the original 1990s floppy drive we could put didn't read anything, which was sad. It is bare, which is now somewhere over the rainbow. But it's the same version, except the faceplate is a different color. And I'd like to keep everything like the same color as the case here, like beige color. And this thing could use some retro brighting. The front panel of this case here, as you can see, it's like yellow, but it doesn't hurt. This one's also slightly yellow. The original Packer Bell keyboard is also slightly yellow. This mouse is slightly yellow, but for all this compares, I can't complain. The CD drive itself has seen better days too. This one is actually in pretty good shape. Yes, I do have a double speed CD drive in this computer. I also have one hooked up externally, which I believe is a 24 speed. Let's see here if I move this audio cable all the way. That's connected to my sound. That's actually connected to the CD drive 1987. So let's see, around 24 speed, maybe 16. Think about getting a quad speed for it, but I don't know if the quad speeds are actually susceptible for the multi-session CDs that are burnt on another computer. I'm going to digress. It's a little dusty on that thing. But yeah, okay, so I gotta conclude this video. And like I said before, I can't pronounce words today for some reason. Let's go ahead and go into the first-person shooter game. So let's see. Acronia, that's what it's called. Yeah. Acronia is the name of the game here. So I'll post a link in the description about it. The game itself was built in Linux, which I had the Penguin. I can't remember what it's called. I almost call it Tuxedo, but that's just the I don't know what they call it for the Penguin thing. Yeah, no wonder my room is so cold. I have my attic doors open. Anyway, thank you for watching. Feel free to like and comment if you have one.